day everyone. So for today, we have lesson 3. And in this lesson, we have symbols which are represented by the sound of O, R, L, H, ing, long I, and omission of minor vowels. Example for the sound of O. If I write the no, it is spelled out N-O. N-O, N-O, N-O. Another. If I write toe, this is the T-O. T-O, T-O, T-O. How about if I write do? This is D-O. D-O, D-O, D-O. Then we have home. So this is home. H-O-M. So why does it look like that? In order to write the shorthand faster, the curve disappears when the next symbol is straight line. The sound of R. It is the short forward curve. If you write rain, we only hear the word R-A. 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 Rain. R-A-T. 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 Raid. R-A-D. 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 Another one. Rain. R-A-N. 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 Examples for the sound of L. Lay. L-A. 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 Late. L-A-T. 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 Lane. L-A-N. 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 Lean. L-E-A-N. symbols for the sounds of H and ing. The symbol for H and ing is represented by a dot. We pronounce this as etching, not H and ing. When do we use H and when do we use ing? H is used if it is placed at the beginning of the word. It should be placed above the vowel. So it is the H sound. Then we use ing if it is placed at the end of the outline or word. The dot should be placed close to the end of the body of the outline. So, example of the words with Hing sound. These are examples of the words with Hing sound. If we combine H, E, we read it he. Where is the H? Here, the dot. And the small circle is the E sound. Then, if I combine H, E, T, we read this as heat in spelling. Another one is H, E, T, in. So the word is heating. Where is the H? This. The small circle is the E. And the slanting is the T. And this is the ing. The next sound is the sound of long I. The sound of long I is represented by a broken circle. It is written this way. Example of long I sound. Hi. H, I. My. Might. M-I-T. Mind. M-I-N. Omission of minor vowels. For example, the word even is really pronounced even, so these vowels may be omitted in shorthand. Another one. Hassan. So it is silent T and E, and it should be omitted the two letters.